better place.
Welcome back, guys, and from you see by the title, you guys know what we'll be doing today. Yes, guys, a Scotch bonnet chicken breast. So let us get on with the ingredients, and we have our salt and pepper, mother seasoning, we have our Scotch bonnet butter, or garlic and onion powder mixture, and the star of the show, or chicken breast. Yes, guys, as you guys know, we have already cleaned the meat off camera. I will tell you guys how we clean the meat in several videos. So let's get on with seasoning. Salt and pepper, season from high so it's evenly spread. You don't know Chef Reid, what one?
Yeah man, when you don't see what go on, guys, as me I tell you now, Chef Alexander at work. You understand, I'm telling you, so you need to go over our Instagram, check her out, follow her on Instagram. Yeah, because we have the epic something with them. I don't know with the normal. Which part you never hear about Scotch bonnet chicken?
Yes, guys, and we're going to turn over and repeat.
Take it in. Yeah guys, so I know I love what I go on, and I know I catch a drift though. So you see when we done season this, we submerge it straight into the hot oil.
Yes, guys.
No joke about that. Take it in.
And you're going to season this moderately, because remember, we're going to pan-sear and we don't want this to burn. Because you know when you over season,
the garlic powder and the onion powder tends to burn.
Yes,
so
guys.
To avoid that, you will season lightly.
Alright guys, so we're gonna allow this to marinate for 30 minutes to an hour, but you can allow it to marinate for however long you have, or even overnight. So forward.
Soon forward. Yes guys, we're there again. So right now we're gonna submerge the chicken in the oil.
Yes guys, so let's go. And you know, always lay away to prevent splash and burns. So now we're
and remember guys, we fillet the chicken skin side down.
Yes guys, we're just gonna add some fresh bay leaf and a garlic clove. Yes guys, and remember, we're gonna sear this for 5 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. Yes guys, look at that, coming together nicely, right? Beautiful.
So you know the catch it drift?
Soon come again guys.
When you give this a turn.
Too forward.
We're there again guys.
So it's time for that turn.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Yes guys, beautiful.
Beautiful sear on the skin side up. So now we're gonna put on the
Scotch bonnet butter.
Alright, take it in.
Yes,
as I tell you, this is a Scotch bonnet pan-seared chicken.
Guys, and this butter is very flavorful. So that seasoning that we did and this, perfect, right?
Balance everything.
And remember guys, if you're not a fan of pepper, you must know how you're gonna use the butter, right?
And this butter will be on the market very soon.
Yes guys, so
So
look at it.
Look out for it. And anyone who see it, you know, say, a Chef Reid and Chef Alexander, take it in.
Yes guys, look at that here. Beautiful,
and
right?
then the butter now just
nice and golden.
Alright
Guys, can I tell you, this aroma from the bay leaf is a perfume
to the kitchen.
Yes guys, soon come again.
Soon forward.
Yes guys, we're back again, and we're going to give this a turn once more to allow the butter to absorb in this chicken, right? So here we go, once again, right? Perfect.
Look at that.
We're gonna bake it up again. Guess what guys? This is a hot bonnet chicken, right? Guys,
the flavor from the butter guys, you can smell it. It's like a perfume, as Chef Alexander would have said, to the kitchen.
the aroma is very nice guys.
You want to see the butter melt and run off, oh gosh.
Look at that. Yes guys.
If only you know.
Guys, place your orders and this can always be yours, right? So we soon come again. So forward.
Soon forward.
Yes guys, we are back once again, and we're going to give this a next turn and some butter him up again, because you don't know how that goes.
Alright, see that now? We have the final color. So we just butter him up again, take him out, rest, and then add some more butter while it's resting.
Yes,
and
guys.
get ready for the service. So we're going to serve this.
Look at that, man. Beautiful, right? So we're just going to remove this now and allow the butter to rest and absorb this flavor into the chicken. So Let's go on to the plating station.
Yes, guys. So I'm gonna remove this as I tell you now.
Yes, guys.
Yeah. So forward over the plating station, you do it.
Beautiful. Alright, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, guys, time for that plating. I want it right there. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Yes, guys, this raisin mac and cheese is the vibe. Look at that beautiful sear, and we have some height. Look at it, guys. Look at that, beautiful, right? Look at that. Alright, guys, we're gonna get the finishing touches and clean up the plate. Soon come again. Just a minute. Soon come. This is it, guys, the final. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. Lovely, right?
Yeah, guys, this was epic. You see the avocado mayo, raisin mash, Scotch bonnet chicken with the parsley's a green fest, guys. Take it in.
Yes,
Tell me
guys.
someone I love this.
And don't worry about the veg. We're gonna serve it in something different, so don't worry about it, right? Yes, guys. Lovely. And this is a wrap. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?